scratch her scalp and lift up those dead sick skin cells. And I'm not going to spray her because I really want to do it dry. So I'm just kind of parting the hair gingerly and then going in and scratching her scalp. So I've already taken down her hair in the back. So I'm just going to go through and scratch her scalp really good. But it looks severe, but it really is not. And what causes this sometimes could be a internal factor, which is poor circulation. Your metabolism hormones might be off. Poor nutrition, lack of water, stress, tension. You know, those are some of the things that could cause the dandruff, the dry scalp. External things like lack of proper cleansing or infrequent shampooing. You know, using the wrong shampoos, increased activity of bacteria, and poor scalp circulation. Then your pH balance in the water or shampoos may be off. So you kind of have to figure out, you know, what's going on with your scalp. And if you feel like you cannot get anywhere with using over-the-counter products, I would suggest that you use natural products and see how that goes. Now, if you have medical issues, if you're taking a lot of medications, I also, if you're going to do essential oils, to check in with your physician to make sure that you're not allergic to any of the oils, or the oils doesn't go against what you're taking, because you could have a situation there. So if you're on a lot of medications, check with your physician first before you pursue essential oils. But good essential oils for a scalp soother can be aloe vera, sage, emu oil, almond oil is really good, and eucalyptus. All those are really good scalp soothers because all of those have the antifungal and astringent properties in them. But you want to make sure that you mix your essential oils always with a carrier oil, because if you just put the essential oil right to the skin, you will definitely get some kind of reaction, and that's just not a good thing to do. You want to have your carrier oil or base oil, which and you blend that together, and that will give you a better outcome. So for the carrier oil, really good carrier oil to mix in with your essential oil would be sweet almond oil, because it helps to relieve the itching and it brings that soothing and calming effect to the scalp. And it also is high in fatty acid levels of and proteins of vitamin A, B, 2, B1, and etc. Jojoba oil is good. That's a standard oil that is really good, universal, just as coconut oil is your universal oil, you know, meaning it's good for all skin and hair types. Also, another good carrier oil would be avocado oil. Avocado is really good because avocado it soothes the scalp as well. With it comes against the itching as well, and it has the fatty acids, protein, and vitamins A, B, and D. So those are some really good carrier oils to blend in with your essential oil. And of course, tea tree oil is a good astringent oil, as well as peppermint and spearmint. Those are really good. Eucalyptus, rosemary. Those are really good essential oils to mix in on your scalp when you have dandruff. So I'm continuing to scratch her scalp, and I saw a couple little small red spots, but just very, very tiny and very small. So when you get to that area, just don't bother that. If you want any more information, have any more questions about dandruff, this is just touching the surface. I mean, just like really touching the surface is information I'm giving. But I will be giving more information to come when it comes to hair health and hair growth, because I really believe that protective styles are good and necessary. But if you're not taking care of your hair, And then what's the point of doing a protective style if you're not doing your trims, your protein treatments, if you're not doing your hot oil treatments, if you're not moisturizing your hair? And I know it sounds like a lot to do, but if you do it in increments and you make, you know, a schedule, your hair regimen schedule, which I have, then it won't be so tasking or overwhelming. And then when you have a good stylist, someone that's going to assist you in your healthy hair growth journey, then it just makes it that much easier. So I just wanted you guys to see this video and come in and get your scalp scratch. Go to styleseat.com and make that appointment. And again, the ASMR shampoos are every Monday afternoon to evening. So go ahead and book that, because one of the reasons I wanted to do that as well is because I wanted to have time to get in there and spend time on your scalp and go ahead and get it rejuvenated and get you back on track. So I hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment and let me know that you enjoyed this video.